Hey there, I'm Raymond, and this is my game Dizzy Diner that I made in 24 hours for Rose Hack 2022. The main technical challenge with this particular project is that I've never used Unity before. I am a primarily Roblox based developer, and going to a completely new engine and trying to figure out how to make VR work was definitely a big challenge. But the objective of the game is to produce the correct order, so we'll press on this button to start. So when you get the order wrong, you just simply don't get any score. But when it happens to be correct, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you get a score and it clears out. So this is just operating on a random generator running off of a timer, and then you complete the order on the top, just the first order, and that's how it judges. And of course, if you make the wrong order, the game resets. The assets used, such as that booth over there, were imported from TurboSquid. I tried using Echo 3D for my project initially, but I found that the original basic plan simply had too many limitations and didn't really fit my use case, as I could simply just develop and put these assets in on my own locally. There's also some other additional things. This headset setup is done courtesy of a tutorial on YouTube, which was incredibly helpful to get this set up initially. And overall, it feels very nice. My own animations are not perfect, but they're still usable. I've disabled quite a few things such as locomotion, since this is mostly a standing or sitting game. Though you can still look around, though there's not much to look at in this particular project. But overall, I'm super happy with, honestly, the results that I was able to achieve within 24 hours. Starting in a completely new engine with a completely different language and getting everything set up and having everything run honestly at a decent level. The hands are a little bit shaky. I believe that is due in part to the frame rate. They seem to be a little bit more stable when I'm looking away from the assets. Those boots in particular are relatively heavy. But overall, it's been a great learning experience, and I've had a lot of fun just trying to figure out how Unity works. And honestly, I think VR is super cool, and I wish that something like this was more easily doable on Roblox. Unfortunately, it's not, but I still think that this is really cool.